See, this is the thing that you can be looking at as because the last views, it's near about 40 million. Hi guys, and welcome to another new video, and today I'm going to show you a way that without showing your face and doing anything, you can easily make a YouTube channel of yours. And I mean that you can do it in just 3 simple steps. So what are we waiting for? Let's begin. The first thing that we need to do is to get a video, and for that we are going to understand some things that many of you are telling me that if there is a way that we can easily make videos out of us, or from our own ideas we can make something that is might not be related to us, but we want to make a channel, and we are just gonna scale up things. So is there some way that we can easily do? Yes, there is definitely a way that you can use, and that is I am going to show you an example. For example, now I am going to go on to my PC and I am going to show you something interesting. Right now I am in my YouTube trending section, and you can see today's trending section. There are so many things that we can easily see, and not just that, we can see so many things. There is there, and now so right now I am in my search tab and I have written some words, and we are going to search it. And now we can see it's the trending section of ours, and we are going to search something. We are going to search really something new, unique and interesting. So for example, see, it is a channel which is known as Yellow Brick Cinema. Okay, so I just have written Bright. So the name of the channel is Yellow Brick Cinema. It's a relaxing music channel that you can easily start. So what is the thing they are doing? See, what we can see is that we are going to do a deep analysis. No, not in a very deep sense, not in a professional way. We can do it, but not today. Okay, so I am going to give you some analytical references, and that's why I'm going to go on to our Social Blade, and we can see on Social Blade we can see something that is, we are just going to paste it up, and after that we are going to click enter and our thing will be done. We are going to get the analytics. So we have got our analytics, and now we can see it's the same channel, right? It's the same channel, and we can see that this person, this lady owns it, and we even don't know that if it is the real owner or not. It can be a stock image, if it can be. Now it's the world's best relaxing music. Now it's a channel in A's, and see, you can see it's a 798 in it's a US channel, I think. Yeah, it's a US channel, and see the views. And if you want to get something like that, you can easily get. I'm going to show you how you can do some things like that in 3 steps. So the first one that we need to keep in mind is very simple. The first thing, we have to go on to YouTube, and on YouTube we are going to find a place that is on our YouTube studio. So it's a demo channel of ours, so we can find something that is known as customization and audio library. Under customization you can find audio library, and we have to click it, and whenever we click it we are going to get some copyright free Creative Commons music. See, a new way to customize your channel. So we're going to close it, and we can see, you can see the license type, and we can use all these ones for us. Now if we write here, if we see attribution not required, we are going to do some tuning, fine tunings. And what is that? We are going to choose attribution not required. That is, we don't need to give credit to people. So we are going to really filter it down or funnel it down. And the next thing that I want to do is to the mood. It should be relaxing. See, it can be calm, it can be dramatic, it can be inspirational, and we can choose so on and so forth. So this is the way that we can do. Now let's hear this one. Let's hear this dramatic music. There is lights, the ambient music by Patrick. So let's hear this. Mhm. Now that we have easily closed it, and after that we can see that we can use music from there. And the next thing that we need is, let me go up and let me just show you what are the things that we need. So we need two things. The first thing that we all need is this one, and that is music. That is music. And after that, we need to get what? So the first step of ours is to get music. So it is done. The second thing that we need is to get some videos. And we are going to get the videos from a very special place, which is known as. So we can get our videos from pexels.com. So Pexels is a free place where we can get the best and the beautiful ones, and we don't need to give so much and so forth. We can give attributions if we want, and it's better that we should give the credit to the person who has done for us, and we're just giving away for free. And we can use it. For example, you can use this stock image and this stock video, and you can easily make things up. See, so this is a place that you can use, and you can use it, and after that easily available for you, and you can easily just mix and match those videos, and you can make a whole video of yours. And so for that you can use, and I'm going to give you, you can use different editing softwares. Now, the first step was to get music from audio library. The second step was to get videos from Pixabay or Pexels.com. And the third step is very simple. You need to merge both of them, and you don't need to give attribution for your music. And you, if you want, you should check that if you need to give attribution or not for this one. Probably you should give attribution if you think that yes, I am getting something for their own effort, and we should always give them that credit. And it's a thing that we should all believe in, and it's a best practice that I myself feel it's the best. Now, the thing that you need to do again is to combine them, and after that you can easily be able to make the whole video, and you're gonna be able to produce it. So that's how you can make a videos like this on Yellow Brick Cinema, as you can see, and you're gonna get the results something like that. And you don't need to show your face, not your any voice is implemented. So if you want to fine tune it, you should always, it will be better that you give your voice. So what happens is that the chances and the rate of monetization becomes much more better. Why so? Because you're giving something individual or unique. If you don't want your voice to be there, you can hire somebody, some freelancer, or it can be your friend, or it can be any neighbor of yours if you want to. So you can write a script out of it, on the affirmations, and you can easily make something out of it, and it will be awesome. And many people are doing it, you can do it too. And there is always, since the pie is really big, and you can make the pie bigger, and you have a lot of scope into this, and you can easily be able to make things happen for you. So right now I am going to go on to this, and I am going to show you this thing. See, this is the thing that you can be looking at, as because the last views, it's near about 40 million. It's 40 million views, so you can easily understand. And I am going to show you the video views. Here is the video views. See, on 25th Feb, they have got near about 1 million views. Every day they are getting almost a million views, and it is massive. And see, the subscriber is also growing really well. And I think you have checked it. See, this person is running so many of them. And what is happening is very simple, is it is giving him or her, I think it's a channel by this woman, and we can't confirm you because it's never written. But on the about section, if you go, we can find the name of this person. It's that, welcome to Yellow Brick Cinema, the home of the world's best relaxing music. I am Maggie. So Maggie is managing this whole channel. It's Margie or Margie. It can be anything. So I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong or something. Now, the best thing that you can do is very simple. You can easily get all these things happening and you can easily see the monthly views that is been gaining, and it's quite it's not an exponential growth, but definitely it is growing really, really, really fast. So if you see it in a perspective of a year, the growth is really exponential and it is worth it. So if you want to try something like these, you can definitely try this and you can make it happen. So that was the free and easy way that you can use, and you can see that it works really well. So guys, that was it for today. So I hope that you have enjoyed this video, because I am going to give you some more extra ways also on next videos, so that you don't need to show your own face, you don't need to make videos, you don't need to buy those expensive cameras, and you don't need to buy those expensive microphones. Not just that, we are gonna work on this together, and you have to do one only simple one thing, and that is to subscribe this YouTube channel, and you have to press the bell notification, and don't forget to click a like on that video, and do comment me below that what would be, if you start this channel, what would be the name of it. Okay, so see you again on another video. Bye. Oh, and by the way, thanks for watching.